Welcome to Andrew's garage.
And what's happening today, Andrew?
Today is Saturday, and as usual, we're going to be going to Ông Nội shop to check out the progress of the cars that he's restoring.
Excellent. Well, we'll see you in the shop shortly.
Today we're looking at the Chevelle SS.
So this is, I think, part 3 of our updates. So what has Ông Nội done?
So in the last video, Ông Nội installed the driver's side recorder panel. Ông Nội is a man of many talents.
What did Ông Nội do today, Andrew?
He cut out the rusted materials to install the new body panels.
What did he use to cut them out?
He used a power grinder and a welding torch.
Oh, cool. So Andrew, Ông Nội is now, just so you understand what's happening, he's cutting the floor panel using an acetylene oxygen torch.
Okay. Yeah.
That was a lot of work to install that, hey?
Yeah.
Have you ever seen a car stripped down like that completely, Andrew?
No.
You can open the door, honey, if you like.
No, I have not. This is one of my very first times.
That's kind of cool to see, hey?
Yes. That shook the car.
So what Ông Nội is doing, Andrew, is before he welds the part permanently, he's checking for body gaps and making sure everything aligns perfectly, and then he'll weld it on.
Okay. The door gaps look good on I.
What are you inspecting, Andrew?
I'm inspecting the trunk lid gap.
And how does it look?
It looks very, very good. It's even, as you can see. And I have a hard time closing this.
Alright, careful closing it.
I'm telling you, it's harder than it looks.
Giờ chị đang làm gì vậy cha?
I'm worried. Drill it out and weld it up.
Okay.
Ông Nội has finished installing the rear passenger side rear quarter panel.
Dad, I'm ready for a burger now.